Sunday marks the start of Samoan Language Week. It's become an institution on the calendar not just in New Zealand, but offshore in the United States and even Italy.
Wow. It has been officially celebrated here for the past 5 years, and this year the theme of the week is O le wā whailuai.
In English, that's strong and respectful relationships. Tangalo Tele o Sone Okesene has this story.
Pasifika Education Centre's Monday Ngangana Samoa lessons at Richmond Road School have swelled in numbers, many keen to keep the language alive for their families.
Us finished first generation Kiwis, and like I've got a son, I'd like to think that somewhere down the line he'll learn the language, obviously through me, and we can pass it on, the culture, the language, because again, I'm embarrassed to say that if we don't carry it on, it'll probably die.
With Samoan Language Week due to start this weekend, both sides of the political spectrum agree it's important.
It celebrates everything that's good about our culture, Samoan values. The language is a core part of that.
We know the evidence says that children who speak their first language have a strong academic foundation for the future, and children who speak 2 or more languages are smart children.
This year the week is celebrated across the globe, and it's an event the Human Rights Commission has actively supported since 2009.
Language is very much tied to an individual's identity, and it's also tied to how we value ourselves and our communities and what it is that we need to pass on to our future generations.
Samoan's the third most spoken language in Aotearoa, and while Le Vaiaso o Ngangana Samoa helps to bring awareness to preserve it, it'll take more than just 1 week to keep the language alive.
Ta tonu o le ngangana Samoa o se ngangana e te tauna whatawaina e te tonu o le atinu nei o New Zealand a wā o te tonu e tō te le alo ma whanau o le whapena o na ola pe pena soifua e te tonu nei atinu o lo ofia mā malama I ngangana o lato tua apo o mātua.
The motto this year is O le wā whailuai. It's about strong and respectful relationships, and I think that's what Samoans in essence stand for.
The next step forward is to promote the language to official status in New Zealand.
I think you now have the community who are now asking that New Zealand does need to recognise the Pacific languages as official community languages. And I see no reason why that shouldn't be the case when you look to Europe as an example of 23 different official languages.
But until then, Le Vaiaso o Ngangana Samoa will continue to hold a special place of purpose on our calendar.
Ia whamanwe atu le Vaiaso mo le ngangana Samoa mo tangata uma in New Zealand nei. I just want to wish everyone in New Zealand and across the world a happy Samoan Language Week.
Ia whataua le ngana Samoa o mea sina ia alo atunu e tāua mo oe malo numanai.
Ia manuia le Vaiaso mo le ngangana Samoa, ma ia manuia le aso whanau, 50 tau sana o le tuto atasi o Samoa.
Reminds you of White Sunday there for a moment. O le vaiaso o le ngangana Samoa o le vaiaso fau.
Ia tam whai o na whaunga ina le ngangana Samoa, malo a inga. Hoi loa, kom whai.
Ioi.